beautiful, welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Ashley Vida and I am a makeup artist. If you are new to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would take 2 seconds to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you get notified every single time I post. Today's video is a tutorial on my go-to natural glam look. So let's just get straight into it. First things first, I'm going to apply an eyeshadow base to my eyelids. I'm using the P. Louise base in the shade Rimmel 0.5. I have already done my eyebrows off camera, so if you would like to see the tutorial for that, I will link it up in the eye. But finish watching this one first and then go watch that one, please. I will also link it down in the description. This is my go-to natural glam look, but I'm using the term natural very loosely. I use the term natural because I'm staying within neutral tones. So I'm going to start off by grabbing a light brown shade, and I am just going to begin by applying this into my crease. So I have that packed on in the shape that I want. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and blend it out. And that is all I am going to be doing to the crease. This look is very simple. I am then heading over to my Essence Give Me My Crown palette, and I'm grabbing a little bit of the shimmer called Where Is My Prince, and I'm lightly tapping this across my lid just to give it a very faint sparkle. Then I'm going back to my Gorgeous Me color tray, and I'm going to go into this chocolatey brown, and I'm grabbing a flat angled brush, and I'm going to use the shade to line my eye. And don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfectly straight and neat for today's look because we are going to blend it out. Using that same brown shade, I am also creating a wing. I also want to give this look a bit of a fox eye effect, so I'm also going to be lining the inner corner. I'm then taking some black eyeshadow, and I'm just dotting this softly along the line just to deepen it a little bit more. And now I'm taking this fluffy brush and I'm going to blend this out. And I'm blending out everything except for that inner corner thing I did. And now to clean this up and get that wing effect back, I'm just taking some concealer and a flat brush. The next thing I'm going to do is add some white to my waterline, and I'm using the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Snow Queen. Oh, my under nose looks very red. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And then I'm going to put on some mascara. This is my favorite mascara. This formula is amazing. It's the Callendra Mascara. This is a must-have. I'm going to start with my lower lashes and applying it to my top lashes as well. I've used this mascara so much it feels like it's almost finished. Now the lashes are really what brings this look together, I feel, because I'm using lashes that flare out towards the end. Okay, now that my lashes are on, I'm going to hop off camera quickly and put on my foundation. I would do it on camera, but I'm recording a separate video with the foundation that's going to be for something else, so I'll be right back and then we'll just finish up the look. Okay, I'm back and my foundation is done. Skin looking a lot better, not looking like Rudolph anymore. And now one last step for the eyes. I just want to put some highlighter on my brow bone, and I'm using my Beauty Treats Baked Highlighting Powder, and I'm just putting a little bit of that on my brow bone. Now I'm going to move on to contouring and highlighting. I'm going to go in with Callendra foundation in the shade N00. And I'm just applying it to the areas of my face that I want brightened up and lifted. And then for contour, I'm just going in with a dark brown concealer. Then I also like to take a little bit and apply it underneath my lip. So this will create a shadow when I blend it out and make my lips appear more full. And the thing with blending out your contour is that you don't want to move it to a different place. You just want to blend out those lines you were made so that they aren't so harsh. Because there is no point in me applying the product here if I'm going to blend it down here. And I'm blending this towards my hairline. To blend out the nose contour, I'm going in with a smaller brush just so I can target these areas more easily. So while I'm blending this out, I'm gently just running over the shade that I applied, up and down. I am not moving the product around. The only place I'll be moving this product is outwards towards the outside of my face. Then I'm just going to apply some of the liquid highlight to my nose. And then blending it out. Then blending out the rest of this highlight. Now to get rid of the harsh lines from the contour, you go over it with a beauty blender or a beauty sponge, pardon me. Now that you have all of the blending out done, set everything in place with some translucent powder. Remember when I said I'm using the term natural very lightly? Well, remember that. Because now I'm just going to go over the liquid contour with a little bit more of powder contour, just to give it a little bit more of a sculpted effect. So I'm going in with my Mr. Price Scarlet Heel Contour and Glow palette, and I'm just going to grab this shade here for a bit of contour. Then grabbing my Rimmel London blush palette, and I'm just going to add a little bit of this blush over here. And for highlights, I'm going back to this palette and I'm going to use this shade over here. And for glam, I really love the skin to be glowy, so I'm applying quite a bit to my cheekbone. I'm also adding the highlight to the tip of my nose and down the bridge. So to line my lips, I'm going in with the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Hot Chocolate. Then I'm going into this concealer palette and I'm using the brown shade as a brown lipstick. One more trick for faking fuller lips is I like to take a light concealer and then just dot it in the middle, only a little bit, and blend it out with my finger. Focusing it towards the middle only, okay? And there we go, that is it for this natural glam full face bead tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you try this look out. I hope it was helpful. If you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you would consider hitting the subscribe button and turning on the bell icon so that you get notified every single time I post. I upload new videos on Saturdays. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, it really helps me out. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day and I'll see you very soon.